Well, there's Old Faithful. Got a call a little while ago of my neighbor. Well, not really my neighbor, but the landowner that tried mowing behind the hives and clipped the corner. And you see what happens. I'm so lucky he didn't get all of them. But just a quick tip. Make sure the folks that you're putting bees on their property knows not to mow right up against them. That way, because I was headed over here tomorrow with a weed eater. So just a quick tip. Now it's time to get into them. One of the few times you'll ever see me wearing a bee suit. Well, not a suit. Just an inspector's jacket. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe.